Assalamu alaikum learners, and welcome back to another week of science lessons. Our today's topic is making yarn and weaving cotton. You can refer to your science textbook page 10 and 11. The value of the month of June is courage, to do the right thing even when it is difficult. Be brave when necessary. By the end of this lesson, learners, you will be able to explain what twisting, weaving and knotting are often used to make fabric, and you will be able to discuss how clothes are made. Here are your keywords. On number 1, we have the word cotton. Number 2, yarn. Number 3, weave. And number 4, spinner. Have a look at these. This is cotton. This is yarn. This is called weave. And these are spinners. Here is your reference, page 10 and 11 from your science textbook. Making yarn and weaving cotton. To understand this process, let's first talk about where do we get cotton from. Can you recall, learners? Right, we get cotton from cotton plant. What things can be made from cotton? Any idea, learners? Yes, we can make shirts, bed covers, cushion covers, and it's a long list. Let's watch the journey of cotton from farm to fabric. Okay, learners, so now you saw the video. You all know very well how cotton comes from plant, right? So after that, cotton spinners use a twisting action, and this twisting action makes yarn from cotton. When you twist the strands of yarn together, it becomes very strong, and the yarn can then be used to make fabric. So let's see this process. First, when the cotton ball or the cotton flower is removed from the plant, it goes through a cleaning process where the seeds and leaves are removed from the cotton wool ball. Then these cotton balls are stretched. Imagine stretching. Yes, they're stretched into long bundles. They use a tool called spinner. It is just like your spinning toy. So this spinner twists the cotton and make it yarn. People weave yarn together to make a fabric. Have a look at the picture. One set of thread is hanging from top to bottom, and the other set of thread is passed from the side over and under to weave the fabric. This process is called weaving of fabric. Some people also use some knitting sticks. These help to make a fabric for blankets, for socks, for hats and sweaters. Let's explore. I want you to have a magnifying glass with you and try to look closely at your clothes. Look at how the threads are twisted together. If you do not have a magnifying glass, use the camera of your mobile phone. Try to zoom in and observe how yarns are twisted together to make a fabric. And see, can you see any knots or woven or knitting thing in your fabric? Try to explore different types of fabric around your home. Activity time. Materials you may need are paper strips, scissors, a tape or a that's optional. So we're going to make our paper mats. Step 1. Place the strips vertically on a clean surface or a table and secure one end using a tape or a glue. As you can see in the last picture here. Step 2. Pass horizontal paper stripes under and over each vertical paper strips until you reach a desired length for your paper mat. So have this fun activity and see how weaving works and create your own beautiful paper mats. Don't forget to share pictures with your teacher. Here is a link for you on your Active Learn. Have a closer look at what your fabrics are actually made of. I have listed here. You can find in this link different types of fabric and how and what type of materials they are made of. So, what did you learn in this lesson today, learners? Can you explain what twisting, weaving, and knotting are often used to make fabric? Can you discuss how clothes are made? Have fun, and we will talk about more interesting things in your next lesson. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.